Hello everyone. This video is on a 1/200 scale Boeing 777-300. I don't know if it's the ER. It probably is since it's Cathay Pacific. The reason why I picked this one up is I love the Cathay Pacific paint job. I've always wanted to get a 200 scale model of it. Of anything. 747s had some great paint jobs on them. But most of the ones I ever seen were very, very expensive. So I've been trolling around on eBay one day, and a gentleman put this one up. I think it's an in-flight miniatures. It's used. It's got the wrong base. It's got a 747 400F base underneath it. But it was 19 bucks. And I jumped on it because I got tired of waiting around trying to find one I could afford. I believe it's an in-flight. Doesn't have the spinning turbine blades, fan blades, but it's got a lot of nice engraved detail on the wings. Pad printing on it I think is beautiful. Color schemes seem to match. This is, I believe, a little bit older than what's on the 777s today. I think the dark green band under the nose is gone now, and it's just a light green-blue band that goes around it. And I like this one better. So I was very happy to see it. I was on eBay about 6 in the morning, and this thing was on there, and I thought, just listed, I'll take it. So very happy I did. The pad printing on this is very nice. Like I said, the overall look of it's very nice. See if I can spin it around a little bit. Get it to stop shaking a bit. And let you take a look at it. It's amazing how, in scale, how long these 777s are getting, and only bigger yet to come. But for the detail that's on it, I like it a lot. It's got a lot of little things that add up. If you look at it, it's not as sparse as some of the lower cost models were. They probably put more money in, or they probably, when they did the 777s, they put more detail in them to compete with the other people. But pad printing was good, and very accurate looking model. Like it a lot. Hopefully you're enjoying it. Let me spin it around a little more. See if I can get this thing on. Yeah, I got it all in there. It must be a very popular airline to in freight and passenger to collectors, because just about everything I see sells out or gets so low that the prices go really high on them. And I really wanted one of the, I'm happy with this, but I really would have liked to have found one of the 747s. In some of the earlier paint schemes where the band was a little bit wider and it had a little more extra painting around it. The fuselage and the tail and the nose and other items. But happy with this one. There we go. Move that over a little bit. Get it all in the frame. Give her one more spin. she's all there. But anyway, thought I'd put this one out and see if you all liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you would, and if you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and maybe subscribe and let YouTube know people enjoy these videos and like the airline subject. But once again, thank you for watching. You all have a good evening. Be safe. Goodbye.